Hey YouTube, Mark here doing another fragrance review. As you can see, I'm wearing my Versace hoodie. It's kind of cold up here in Canada today. It definitely feels like fall is coming. Since I'm talking about fall, I am going to review one of my favorite fall and winter fragrances from Burberry. Before I get to that, I just got in a bottle in the mail. Yes, it's the one I was talking to you about. I got Play Intense in the mail. If you don't follow my videos, of course I got Play, the original Play, a couple weeks ago. Purchased this one, and definitely with the first whiff of this one, I'm thinking there's a little bit of Angel Man in this one, so might be one of my favorites. So what I'm going to do is I got a lot of requests from my subscribers to review this once I get it in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my next video that you guys are going to choose which fragrance I'm going to review. I'm going to put this one head to head against two other fragrances, and I'm going to let you guys choose which one. If you really want me to review it, I will. I'm definitely doing all these videos for you guys, so if you want to hear about this one, you can vote for it on the next one, and I will definitely do a lot of homework on it, try it out, and try to get a review on this one real quick. Alright, so now I'm going to be on to the actual review. It's on Burberry Brit. This is one of Burberry's top sellers for men. Beautiful bottle. You got the signature Burberry, and basically it's dressed in Burberry from head to toe, and in black and white Burberry. And of course I got the box here, and the box actually kind of looks like the bottle. So Burberry Brit for men. There's also one for women. My girlfriend actually has it. Amazing fragrance for any women that are watching this, or guys that want to get their girlfriends a fragrance. Burberry Brit for women is amazing. But you definitely have to look at the logo. If it's on sale, there's Burberry Brit, which is actually for women. It doesn't say for women on the box. And this one, it says Burberry Brit for men. So you definitely need to take a good look on the box and make sure that it's actually for men or women. But anyway, on to this fragrance. There's actually 3 bottle sizes for this guy. There's a little one. It's the 1 ounce. It's going to cost you around $25 to $40. The guy in the middle is 1.7 ounce. It's $30 to $50. And this gentleman right here, it's a 3.4 ounce, 100 milliliters, which would cost you around $40 to $70. So really, Burberry lets you have a bottle in different price ranges. So, you know, if you're strapped for cash, you can get a smaller bottle and give this one a try. So it's definitely a good thing that Burberry gives you, you know, different bottle sizes for that. Now, this particular fragrance hit shelves in 2004, so it's been in the market for a while. It's actually been a top seller for Burberry right off the bat, and it still is now in 2009. So really, Burberry, this one and Burberry London are number 1 and 2 for men's fragrances in sales for Burberry. So they're definitely, this one is definitely an amazing fragrance. Now, I would group this more in a floral, woody, oriental fragrance. Why I added floral to it? It is described as a woody oriental, but I get some floral in it too, so I kind of threw that in. You definitely get the woody and the oriental with the spices, but I gotta throw the floral in there because it's basically a difference maker in this one, and I'll let you know later on why. Now, the perfumier is actually Antoine Mochandieu. So Antoine actually made Burberry London, so it's the nose behind Burberry London and this one. So Burberry should actually hire Antoine again, because him and Burberry together make a very dangerous combo. And Antoine actually made Gucci Rush, if anybody remembers that one. And of course the ever so popular Armani Code. So the scent strength on this one is moderate. So what I do with this one, when it comes fall and winter, I usually hit my neck. I hit it on each side, 1 shot on each side, 2 on the chest, and 1 on my torso. And really, yes, that is 5 sprays, but what I do is, of course, you do have to wear a t-shirt or a long sleeve shirt with this when you do go out, so usually covers these 3, and you just have 2 shots on exposed skin, and it's actually great for me. It works very well. Scent life on this one, I get 6 to 10 hours. So really, Burberry Brit does the job for me. That's what I look for in a fragrance. You gotta last me at least 6 to 10 hours. This one does the job, so it gets points for that. Recommended age, I looked online and it kept saying basically this is for mature age. And I really don't get that. Really, I'm just going to throw that in the garbage, and I'm going to say anybody can really wear this. Hey, if you're in high school and you're wearing this, I would say good job for you, because you're definitely have one of the top fragrances in your wardrobe. So any age could really wear this and pull this off. It's a really classy, high-class fragrance, but you can definitely pull this off in high school. Now, on to the notes, guys. It does have a lively introduction with the citrus top notes, followed with a hint of spices, and it gets its strength from the middle notes. This is where I get the love and hate battle going on, because some people are going to hate this fragrance because of these middle notes, or they're going to love this fragrance because of these middle notes. So really, these middle notes blends a warmth of cedar, nutmeg, and wild roses. And then it rounds off with a trail of gray musk and tonka bean. So really, the rose scent this is the killer here. It just might make Brit way too feminine for some tastes. So really, when you go to a department store, you're looking at this one. Let's say you spray your wrist or your hand, you give it a sniff, and then you're like, oh, I love this. Okay, I'm going to buy it. What I recommend with this one, with any fragrance really, spray it on your hand, your wrist, wherever. Go for a walk, go shopping for about an hour, half an hour, smell again. And that's where you're going to get your middle notes, your dry down, and see what you like. Because really, you don't get the roses right away on this one. And that's where you get people saying, oh, it's got a vanilla baby powder smell. Why did I buy this? Because you get the spices right off the bat, right? So you definitely have to be careful with this one. I get that floral sweetness really with this one, and that's what gets me. I actually love that smell. But I don't want you guys to get me wrong here. Underneath all that citrus, the floral, the oriental, all that, there's actually some woody, musky tones to the base of the fragrance. So there is some manly tones in here, but it's just basically working in the background while you're getting all these other flavors. So don't get me wrong, this is not just 100% floral, but it's got some woody, musky tones at the base. There seems to be a cross between the vanilla and the baby powder. A lot of people are getting that, and that's where you get that vanilla, wild rose, and a lot of people hate that powdery vanilla smell in the dry down. So you really need to try this one out and let it sit. It's very clean. It's got that woody, spicy tone, touch of sweetness in it. It is a very dress and classy type of fragrance. So if you're wearing a tie and a suit, or you're going to something formal, semi-formal, basically if you're going to work, this one will work wonders for you. So this one also is very versatile. So you can actually wear it to work. You can wear it on a weekend. It's not just for casual use, but it's for, intimate. You're going on a date. Definitely great for everything. So it's a very versatile fragrance. Now, Brit, like its counterpart Armani Code, is nice, safe, pleasant, inoffensive scent that's going to please most noses. So that's why they're top sellers. This one's number 2 in Burberry House. Armani Code speaks for itself. Very popular fragrances. There's a reason why, guys. So style, classic, modern, occasion, special and intimate. We can go on and on with any occasion with this one. And season, mainly fall, but I'm going to hit winter with this one too. I wear this in the winter. So all in all, guys, this is not going to get a perfect score from me. It's going to get a 9 out of 10, but it's definitely a classic fragrance. Give this one a try. Give the counterpart Burberry London a try also. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching, guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe to my videos, alright? Thanks a lot. Have a good one.